Hey everyone, Simon Says Money here. Welcome back to another video. Today is March 10th and we are 1.5 hours through the trading day. Looks like everything is doing well. Today I'll be talking about the sector rotation and what are some stocks that I talked about that are doing great, and getting into my theory of a V or a W shaped recovery from this correction of this tech stock. Before we get into this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on that bell notification. I post content on the stock market, investing, and let's make money together to achieve financial freedom. As a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor or a CPA. Please use your own investment decision. This is for entertainment purposes only. Now let's get into this video. Right now the Dow is up 306 points, S&P 500 up 18 points, and the Nasdaq up 13 points. And the Russell 2000 is up 37 points. So every major index in the US is up. Second day in a row, so far so good. In my yesterday's video, this one, number 42, I kind of timed the market that Monday, March 8th, would be the bottom for the Nasdaq's drop, and it would go up for the next 2 to 4 weeks. And I hope that it would be a V-shaped recovery like it did last March in 2020, right after the massive fall of the stocks starting in February and March, and it quickly, swiftly went back up just like the shape of a V. But most likely, I guess that we would again have a W-shaped recovery like I show here. We will see. I will sell most of my holdings within the next 2 weeks to prepare myself for the possible W shape happening, and buy most of the stocks back when the chart reaches another low here after the wave C, if it does go to the C wave in a W shape. If there is no C wave and the Nasdaq is just going up in a V shape, I will catch up to buy the stocks that will be going up anyway. By doing so, I will avoid the possible C wave. Keeping my principal is always the most important thing in investment. In the latest In the Know with Cathie Wood, Cathie pointed out there is a fight between old and new, or between the growth stocks, mostly high-tech stocks, and the value or traditional stocks such as energy, financials, industrials, and so on. And she expressed that there is a sector rotation happening right now, which is good because it means that the market is not collapsing. It means that not just the growth stocks are rising, it is the whole market together rising, which means the economy is doing well. In my last video, I analyzed some shorting ETFs to hedge the drop of the market. In video number 39, just be careful when you play with these high leverage ETF. It can be very, very risky. So I would caution you, invest really, really cautiously. Some ETFs are SQQQ, UVXY, TECS, SOXS, TZA, and FNGD. Maybe instead of playing with those high-risk shorting ETFs, buy those traditional stocks such as cruise line, airlines like UAL, Spirit, or airline ETF JET, energy, retail, or its ETF XRT. It would be a better idea because 1, the pandemic is almost over. 2, the vaccination is widely available pretty soon. 3, the economy is to open gradually. And number 4, people have money because of the stimulus packages and reduced spending during the last 12 months. But I don't see these stocks as long-term investment, with the exception of Boeing, which is a traditional stock, but I consider it as a long-term investment. ARK's upcoming ETF, ARKX, may include the Boeing company, ticker symbol BA. Today I would like to share some small cap pharmaceutical companies that I presented in my previous videos. Yesterday, Tuesday, March 9th, SENS was up 14.7%, CLBS up 9.3%, NVCN up 16.4%, and CTXR up 7.9%. Looking at the chart, SENS, the high was at $5.56 on February 17th, and then we saw the massive correction like that, up again, and currently it's trading at $3.08. CTXR, the high was at $2.90 on February 22nd, then this massive correction downfall and started going up, currently trading at $1.79. Among these 4 stocks, I particularly like SENS and CTXR, and I believe that it is worth holding them for midterm, let's say 3 to 6 months or longer. All of these 4 companies will be attending the H.C. Wainwright Global Life Sciences Conference March 9th to 10th, 2021. It is a virtual conference. H.C. Wainwright Global Life Science Conferences is for presenting companies, one-on-one meetings with H.C. Wainwright Investment Banking and Research Team. Very probably, these companies will be sharing their latest research updates at the conference, and because now NASDAQ is in a violent recovery mode, any good news will tremendously boost the stock's share price. Especially, CLBS just announced their flagship CLBS 1-2 has obtained FDA's orphan drug designation for the treatment of Buerger's disease. I expect CLBS share price will rise pretty soon. Okay, I hope the market, especially the NASDAQ, will rise within the next couple of days. I would love those momentum to keep pushing with those tech stocks. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And let me know in the comments if you agree or disagree with me with the V, the W-shaped recovery from this correction, and these small cap pharmaceutical companies. Again, thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.